Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be heading into Publix today. We have a great grocery haul, getting a lot of things that we need for some quick dinners and some quick breakfasts. Also some carpet cleaner and some toilet paper. So let's get started on this. If you are not already on my Instagram or my Facebook, please make sure you check those out. They are also praising and saving. I also have a TikTok channel that I use sometimes, so check that out as well. All right, the very first deal that we're getting at Publix today are going to be on these Mount Olive pickles. They have all different kinds of pickles. This is a no coupons needed deal on these pickles. They are BOGO, buy one get one free. Usually they're $3.29 each, but today we're going to get one jar of these for $1.65. Like I said, this is a no coupons needed deal, so you're just going to pick up one jar of these pickles for $1.65. So this is a great thing to stock up on since we have a lot of cookouts and things going on in the summertime. So go ahead and pick up your pickles. The next thing that we're going to be picking up is some Heinz tomato ketchup. Guys, we get this all the time when we go into the stores because my family uses like a bottle of ketchup per week. So these are usually $2.89 each. We'll be saving $1.78 per bottle of ketchup, and these will be 2 for $4. Guys, if you are not already using the stocking spree from Publix, that is like a rebate program that they have. What you'll do is you submit your receipt to the stocking spree. There are a couple rules that you have to do, and you're able to make points, and those points will get you dollars on the stocking spree. So great rebate program, and those dollars will be sent to you in the form of a Publix gift card. So this is part of one of the stocking spree offers. So go ahead and pick these up, and then check out stocking spree. It'll tell you exactly what to do. The next thing that we're getting are these Eggo waffles. These are 2 for $5. You'll be saving $1.06 on these. And then there's also a $1 coupon on the app when you buy 2. So 2 for $5, using that $1 coupon when you buy 2 brings them down to $4 or $2 each. Great deal on the Eggo's waffles. The kids will be home for the summertime, so you'll need to stock up on lots of different breakfast foods for them. So great deal on this. No coupons needed except for that Publix digital coupon you see there. Alright, we are not done. Please stay tuned. I have lots more great deals to share with you guys. But first, we have a giveaway winner from our last Publix video. This is to Miss Alonda Gilmore. She is one of my very amazing, dedicated viewers on our channel. And she is winning a $10 $10 Walmart e-gift card. So please make sure you send me an email, Miss Gilmore, and I'll get that gift card to you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Guys, if you want to be entered into the next giveaway, please comment in the description, in the comment section, gift card. So just write gift card, and I will be sure to enter you into the raffle for next week. Congratulations, Miss Gilmore. Send me an email. The next deal is on this rana pasta. Now, I got this for my family a couple weeks ago for a quick meal, and I didn't expect for one of my picky eaters in the house to really like it as much as she did. But she was like asking me, can we get some more? So I was excited about this. These are going to be just $1.45 each. And usually they're $4.89. So pretty great deal, $1.45 after the coupon. Now this coupon doesn't expire until June, so great deal on this. Now you can pick up the rana pasta, and there's also a coupon out there for the rana sauce. So, and they'll both be the same price, $1.45 each. So you can pick up some pasta and some sauce for about less than $3, and quick meal for the family. The next thing is on this artisan Sara Lee Brioche bread. I love the Sara Lee Brioche bread. So I'll be picking up this brioche bread for about 50 cents. It's a really great deal. And you can pick up the buns. They have the sausage rolls, the hamburger rolls, the bread, anything. So what you're going to do, these are $3.99 usually, but they're buy one get one free. It will make them $2 each. And then there is a 50 cent on the Publix app. It's a digital coupon. Sorry, I do not have a picture of that one. Bringing it down to $1.50 after that Publix digital coupon. And then you're going to go over to IBOTTA, submit for $1 on IBOTTA, and then it will bring our total cost down to 50 cents for these rolls. The next deal is on this chapstick. It's going to make this a total freebie. These are $1.99. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up one of these 1 counts. There is a coupon on the Publix app for $1 off the chapstick, any of the chapsticks, bringing it down to 99 cents. And then we have this $1 off coupon that you can find in the Publix circular at the front of the store in the savings booklet, bringing this down to a moneymaker of 1 penny. So $1 for the Publix coupon on the app and $1 for the paper coupon that you can find in the green book at the front of the store. So this one is another freebie. This is going to be on the Wick single warmers. These are $1.99. We have a freebie coupon on the Publix app, so clip that coupon. As you can see, my store is totally sold out, so I will still clip that coupon and try to get it next week. Now, there are great deals on these too at Walmart and I believe at CVS, so check them out. But yeah, freebie on this. Great guys, the great thing about this is I have a ton of these Wick warmers, and this is a freebie, and then I'm going to turn around and probably sell it for $1 when I do my little yard sales and things, because I have too many of them. So it'll end up being a moneymaker after I sell it. But guys, check it out, $1.99 freebie coupon on the app. So when I was checking out at Publix, the girl was asking me why did I buy so many of these, and the simple answer for her and for me was they were free. And so I told her exactly what to do and how to go get it for free. These are the Carbona outdoor cleaners. They're a little pricey. They're $7.99, but this week they're BOGO. They're buy one get one free, so it'll be $4. Then if you have these hang tags, now these green hang tags, they work on any of the Carbonas, whether they're the red ones, the yellow ones, or the black ones. You'll use that hang tag, which will be $1 off, bringing our total cost down to $3. And then you can submit to IBOTTA for $3 off of the black outdoor cleaner, and do this deal up to 5 times, making it totally free. Now, the next deal is even better. We also have this in the IBOTTA app we can do as well. So these are $5.69 usually, but we're going to divide them by 2 because it is a buy one, get one free. When we do that, our total cost is going to be $2.85. You're going to use those hang tags that were on the black Carbonas. They work just fine. That's going to be $1 off that $2.85, making these $1.85. Then we're going to head on over to IBOTTA and submit these for $2 each, and you can do this deal up to 5 times, making this a moneymaker of 16 cents per container. So we're getting freebies on the black ones, we're getting 16-cent moneymakers on the red ones, and you can do the deal up to 5 times on the black ones and 5 times on the red ones. Now, guys, toilet paper is something that I stress about. During the pandemic, I had a ton of toilet paper. We were able to get toilet paper for almost free, but we're not able to do that anymore. Still, when I see a good deal, I pick it up. These are usually $9.99. That's an insane price for toilet paper. I'm never going to pay that. But they're on sale right now, 2 for $12, so they'll be $6 each. And then we have these $1 off coupons. And also, I think they have a $1 off digital coupon on the Publix app if you don't have these paper coupons. So you can pick up 1 pack of this toilet paper. So 2 for $12 makes them $6 each. Use that $1 off coupon, brings it down to $5. That's half off. I definitely will take that price.